His Majesty King Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuck of Bhutan recently launched the Gyalsung program, a historic initiative aimed at youth development and national unity. The launch ceremony took place across four newly established academies in Khotokha, Pemathang, Gyalpoizhing, and Jamtsholing. In his speech, His Majesty emphasized the Gyalsung program is rooted in Bhutan's core values of courage, humility, righteousness, aiming to shape Bhutan's future as a strong and independent nation. He highlighted the importance of deliberate planning and transformative vision to secure Bhutan's prosperity for generations to come. His Majesty stressed that the decision made today would echo into the future, impacting the country's progress over the next millennium. At the start of His Majesty's speech, he recalls of a conversation with a king from another country who is much more older than him, with which he expresses gratitude to the armed forces and also to the people, especially the parents who welcomed the initiative. His Majesty explained the national service is based on our courage, our resilience, humility, righteousness, discipline, culture, and our values. It is built upon where we see Bhutan in the future, not by chance but by plan. It is also based on unity. His Majesty addressed the importance of being relevant in the catchment area of nearly 2 billion people. For that, we have to punch above our own weight with talent, coordination, discipline, intellect, and ambition. The Gyalsung program, which involves over 2,000 young participants in its inaugural batch, combines basic military training with education in leadership, national values, and life skills. His Majesty expressed confidence in that the trainees would undergo significant transformation, equipping them to meet future challenges with resilience and intellect. He also acknowledged Bhutan's gratitude to India for its support in the program. The initiative marks a major step forward to prepare Bhutan's youth to contribute meaningfully to the nation's future, aligning with Bhutan's aspiration to play a significant role in the global arena.